This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello there, good to see you again. Hey, how's about this for a nightmare? It's the middle of the night, and there you are, lying in bed, all peaceful, all calm, all still. And then suddenly you're woken by a blood-curdling scream. And you know that someone, somewhere, has come face to face with your pet monster. And there he is. Don't worry, he's a big softy inside all that. Come and have a look at this. To make your own pet monster, blow a balloon up until it's roughly the size of your head, and then stand it in an old bowl or shoebox with the tie at the top. Now this will keep it nice and still. Then you need to mix some PVA glue with a bit of water, and the idea is to paste it onto the balloon and then lay on strips of kitchen roll for this one. There it is, paste over the kitchen roll again, and then another piece there, like that, and just go up and around the knot at the top there, but don't go over it, just go right up to it. And the idea is to cover the balloon in 2 layers of tissue and glue mixture, and when you've covered the whole thing, leave it to dry, and when it's dry, you'll have something that looks like that. Look at that, the 2 layers have gone rock hard, but you must do 2 layers to make it nice and hard. Then very carefully snip the neck of the balloon off to pop it. Ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I thought I was going to bang there. It was more of a... OK, out this comes. Now, to turn this into a monster, you need to add some features made out of newspaper. Now, to make eyes on stalks, fold a sheet of newspaper along the long side, and then loosely roll it into a sausage. Doesn't need to be neat or anything, just loosely roll it, and then give it a twist at the end to hold it into place. Then you need one of these, a ping pong ball, and hold it in the middle like that, and then just fold the newspaper across like that to trap it, and then give it a twist underneath the ball so that the ball is now half enclosed, and tape the paper into place just to hold it there like that, so that you have an eyeball in a socket at the end of a stalk. See? And you can bend the stalk a bit to add character if you want. Make as many of these as you want for your monster. Mine's going to have 3. And then it's a good idea to position one eye over the hole at the top just to close it up. See that? Hello. And then tape the eye into place, and when you've taped all 3, you will have something that looks very strange. Look at this. There it goes. How's that for weird? Now, use lots of tape for this because you want to make it really strong. Then you need to make a long, thin newspaper ring and tape this into place for the mouth, and then 2 smaller rings for the nostrils. One on there. I've put some tape on these. And one on there. Just roll up your newspaper to make them. And if you want to add a tongue, just cut the shape out of some cereal box card, perfect for this, and pad it out with a bit of newspaper and bend it a bit, and then tape that into place, coming out of the mouth there like that. And again, I'm just adding in some extra bits of tape, doing it quickly as usual on Art Attack, no time. You can take as long as you want and put as much tape on as you want. Now, to make some legs, just roll up some stubby newspaper sausages like that, and again, tape them to make them nice and secure, and just tape them onto the side of your monster. Again, using lots of tape to make everything nice and strong and secure. Oh, see, you've got to have lots of tape for that. I'll stick another one on, but you can put, I don't know, 4 or 5 bits on there, like that. Maybe 6 or 7 bits. But if you do each of the legs in the same way, when they're all secured with plenty of tape to make them even stronger, cover them with one layer of tissue and glue, papier-mâché, again, just to make sure all of those joins are really strong. It's worth doing it because when everything's dried, it'll be nice and strong like this. Look at that. That really is quite rock hard. And now you're ready to paint your pet monster. You can use poster or acrylic paint for this, and I'm going to start with a good bogey green monster colour. There you go, just slap that base colour on. Yuck. Gruesome. You could streak in some lighter yellow for veins and sinews. Blood red for the tongue. And when you finish painting him, just add in some detail with permanent marker and you'll have a pet monster that looks something like this. Gruesome. And now you can place him somewhere around the house. And he can lie in waiting. And of course, you can make any type of monster you like, in any colour and any size. And you can make them as weird as you like by twisting your newspaper sausages into crazy shapes. Hey, and how about taping a few balloons together and adding long, straggly hair? Good, aren't they? And it's your own pet monster, so make them as weird as you want and just leave them lurking and waiting to be discovered by an unsuspecting member of your family. Works every time. Try it yourself.
Oh, what a great art attack! Hello, it's me again, the Head. Now, who'd have thought that such a scary-looking creature could be made out of a balloon? Now, when you're making yours, don't forget to balance your balloon in an old bowl or shoebox. That way, it makes it a lot easier to control when you're adding your layers of tissue and glue. And don't worry if you didn't catch all of that, because you can check out the website for fact sheets on this art attack and all the others in the show. Oh, yes.